Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. How do I do it? Now I have this advice to make an ice cream when we are in the pool, either on vacation or have a pool in our operation or our own home. It is ideal because you can have it at hand with all your drinks without the need to walk out or ask others to pass by something to drink. It is very easy to do and very cheap. It also does not occupy a lot of space in case they already want to take it armed, and it is better even very easy to do it anywhere they are. Let's see what we will need. We will need a plastic box of those that sell in the stores of a single price, or some slightly larger, but are not very expensive. The cane of a foam that will serve as float, and like this is very cheap, and sell it in any super. Some scissors to cut this same, and a rope or string to hold it around this. More or less of the lawn kit. Let's see how to do it. We are going to take the box and measure the cane with the longest side, and cut more or less at the height shown in the video. It must be a little shorter than long of the box. We only take the piece and the size we want it and take it as a reference to cut the other. We do the same with the shortest side of the box, and as first we cut a cane and use it as a reference to cut the other of the same length. And as you see, we already have the four sides that will make the box afloat and firm in the water. Nothing more remains to fix them with a rope. We take the rope that can be from nylon, macadie, or plastic, and we begin to pass it through all the canes to be able to tie it, and that are fixed so that it can float and be firm. Apart from the angle that the box has, it is the edges that will help you not know since we put it in the water, and it is perfectly stable to be able to put all our drinks, or if allowing the rules of the pool until we can put a snack. Since they reach the end, cut the surplus of the rope and turn the box to tie it, as it will be easier and will be better. They love it with force so that it is not lazy, and make it a double or triple knot so that it has no way of disappearing. As you can see, it is already perfectly fixed and ready to put everything we want. Now we have nothing more filled with the drinks of our preference, whether waters, soft drinks, juices, beers, etc. You can put what you want, as soon as you resolve the ice, and we'll be ready to try it. As you can see, since we put it in the water, it floats perfectly and without staggering, and we can take and move everything inside without the concern that it will turn around and spill everything to the shelter, and thus enjoy our drinks without the need to walk out of this at every moment. This, apart from icebox, can occupy it as a toy car for when they go on vacation and their children, nephews, or grandchildren have water toys at hand, or simply can play with them in the box. As they could see, with just a plastic box, a foam cane, and a rope, we can make a floating ice cream when we are in the pool, and thus be able to enjoy all our drinks, without the need to ask someone more to pass them to the edge of this, or better yet, without being dating every time for something that seems to us. And the best of all is that it is done with very cheap and easy to find things, and that some already have them at home. As you know, if you like this video, give it a little man, subscribe, share with all your family, friends, and acquaintances. Give you like on the Facebook page and check the other videos, since I assure you that some of them will be very useful. Thanks for seeing us, and hopefully they like this advice.